This is an unboxing of the game Apothebakery. Just arrived today. There's two boxes. The main game, and I got the upgraded components. The game is from Luxo Lupo Games, and a game by Paula Jones and Luxo Lupo. Let's start with the main box. We have a booklet of rules and nicely illustrated. We have here the player boards. Double layered. Each one with its own section, like south, east, west, and north. Apothebakery for 4 players. Came with some bags, some baggies, and we get to the punch boards. You got your reputation tracker, and I suppose you need to put these things behind. Got your health, vials, and a bunch of more things to punch out, and your game board. Game board is 2-sided. This is for a 1 to 2 player game. Other side is for 3 to 4 players. You have the different color bags. Water, berries, insects, and plants. You have the resource cards that you collect. The adventurers that you heal. And somewhere here is the diagnosis. One of these, I guess, would be diagnosis cards and the 40 cards. Yeah, these are the diagnosis cards, and these are the 40 cards. There is a micro expansion that comes with the game. There are cure cards. Spell cards. And corruption cards. These are for solo mode, I believe. And that's it for the main box. The upgraded components just replaces the punch outs. These are the upgraded components that I got. There's just nice clear plastics. Different dials instead of punching them out. And in here are also two micro expansions. One is this Rainbow Bakes, and another one is Mana Springs. All right. You have a 8-sided die. I'd like to go through the different cards that came with the game now. These are the 4E cards. They are the foragers that you send out. And I believe it looks like every single one of them is a different creature. There's no repetition, I believe it looks like. Solarix. Artwork is great. Yeah, looks like they're all different. Every single one of them. Oh, these are modifiers. And we go to the adventurers. And they're all different. All have their own names. Again, wonderful artwork. These are the cures. The different things you had to bake. Every single one of them different again. Oh. And I guess these are more 4E cards. Get to all the things you can collect or forage for. Again, all different. Let's see, what is that? Pink berries. Insects. Crystals. And plants. And here are different cure cards showing your reputation reward on the other side. and some of the spell cards that you put on your player board. And that's the game. Apothebakery. It's 1 to 4 players. There's a solo mode. Takes about 60 minutes for a game. Ages 14 plus. Thanks for watching.